Hi friends, I'm John Laspina. The argument that I have often heard, and this is from my friends as well as strangers online, is they don't believe in a ketogenic diet or a ketovore diet or a carnivore diet because they don't believe in removing an entire food group. That's the argument. And they cut me off. And I know what they're referring to. They know the food pyramid. What's at the bottom of that food pyramid? Pasta, bread, grains, rice, potatoes, all the carbohydrates that turn into sugar. And that food pyramid has been etched in all of our brains that we must have the largest amount of our way of eating. We must have lots of grains and carbs. That's at the bottom of the pyramid. And they think that I'm pushing that you remove all of that, take out an entire food group. They're calling it a food group, that grains and potatoes and rice are a food group. The carbohydrates are a food group. And I'm here in this video to explain that carbohydrates are not a food group, even though we've been brainwashed and taught over the years that it's a food group. Our body, to function in a healthy way, requires four things. We must have protein. There are about 22 or 23 amino acids that make up protein that we have to get from the food we eat or we die. We have to get healthy fats from the food we eat or we die. Omega-3, omega-6 are essential, but there's other omega fats. Stay away from all those canola and soybean and safflower, sunflower, all the margarine, that's bad. And we must have vitamins, fat soluble, A, D, E, and K. And water soluble, vitamin B, 1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, all the B vitamins, and C vitamins. And we must have minerals like potassium and magnesium, and a little bit of zinc, a little bit of copper, a little bit of manganese. You have to have sodium, salt. We have to have protein, fat, vitamins, and minerals. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. We do not need bread. We don't need pasta. We don't need rice or potatoes or sugar in any of its forms to survive and thrive. The single teaspoon of glucose that is flowing through our veins at any given time can be created by your liver. Your liver takes protein and fats and through gluconeogenesis makes just the amount of glucose to maintain that teaspoon of glucose in your blood that parts of your body are using. If you consume extra carbohydrates and sugar, your body can't use it. Your body stores it, it converts it to fat and stores it all over the place, especially your organs. And with that comes inflammation, and with all that fat comes insulin resistance, and with all that fat comes a myriad of other illnesses and diseases. We don't need carbohydrates and sugar. We don't need that supposed food group. It's not a food group. Carbs and sugar, not a food group. Take the concept of food groups like fruits, vegetables, meats, breads. That's wrong. It's protein, fat, vitamins, minerals. That's essential. So when people throw the argument in my face, I don't believe in eliminating an entire food group, and they're referring to bread, they're ignorant. You know what ignorance is? Ignorance is you don't have the knowledge. The knowledge is protein, fats, vitamins, and minerals that sustain a healthy human body, mind, and emotions for life. Ladies and gentlemen, I pass this on to you. This is knowledge that I learned. I was ignorant for many years. I'm still ignorant in many things, but I'm learning and growing and passing the knowledge on to you. Do I learn? Yes. Do I want to grow? Absolutely. So I hope that you will also. Have a wonderful day and eat well so that you can look and feel well and become the optimized version of yourself. Take care.